When I do character mashups, I have to draw out the original character in its entirety first. I can't just take two characters and mash them up equally my first try. I have to know what features I want to change and what features I want to keep. It's pretty easy for me to draw characters though. I go off of the placement of the features. So where are the eyes in comparison to where the mouth is centered? How long is the nose in comparison to the eyeballs? I decided to mash up Spongebob and Chuckie from Rugrats. And I think originally it popped in my head. Well, I've wanted to draw Spongebob for forever. But it popped in my head because of their teeth. They have very similar, adorable buck teeth. I tried to draw features on SpongeBob that were instantly noticeable as Chuckie and gave like that nostalgic feel. Like his baggy clothes, the glasses, obviously the hair. Now that this is finished and watching the video to create the audio, there's a few things that I would have done differently. I do wish that I would have made his shorts more accurate to how Chuckie's shorts were. You know, he was like practically tripping over them. They were oversized and long. I wish that I would have done that. I also might have kept Chuckie's eyes true to Chuckie instead of SpongeBob's eyes in the glasses. Moving on to Chuckie, who is much easier to draw, I feel. Who's less angular. He's just got the cutest face. I'm drawing him out as is. See, these are the shorts that I wish that I would have elaborated and kept on SpongeBob. So on Chuckie, I decided to change the nose and the teeth, just like I did on SpongeBob. I changed SpongeBob's teeth to Chuckie's teeth and vice versa. And I also gave him SpongeBob's eyes, which might have been a mistake because I kept SpongeBob's eyes on SpongeBob. And last minute I decided to make his glasses more wavy like a sponge. I decided not to film the coloring just because that takes me a long time, and I just do it when I can in between, you know, kids' school and phone calls and stuff like that. But I really feel like the coloring just brought these to life. They feel so nostalgic to me, and I had so much fun doing this. If you guys have a character suggestion for me, you know, I really love the 90s characters because that's what I grew up with. You know, drop it in the comments. If you think that I could have done something differently, changed a few features, let me know.